How to create or register Starbucks account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can create Starbucks account or how you can register a new Starbucks account. Now the process itself is simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you can search in for Starbucks registration. Simply type in Starbucks registration here, and once you search for it, you'll get the first link there. You can see create a Starbucks account. You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it there, here you'll be headed into the link here where you'll have to type in some information. I'll just fill up this quickly. Once you fill in all the details, you want to scroll down and you can see agreement here. If you want email, you can check this or uncheck this, and you can see I agree. You want to make sure you have checked it, and then simply tap on create account. Then your account will be headed to the next page for the registration here. So this way you can create Starbucks account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.